welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Eloise Bridgerton inspired makeup look in honor of the release of season 2. I am absolutely in love with Bridgerton and all of its characters, so whenever I was trying to figure out what looks I wanted to do in honor of the release, I definitely came across Eloise's style, and I just absolutely love her color scheme, her bangs, and so I thought that that one would be really fun and really unique. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Eloise Bridgerton inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be taking my Pixi Rose Plus Essence Oil and applying this all over my face before moving on to taking my Fenty Skin Sunscreen and applying this over my face as well to help moisturize it. I'm then going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and applying this over my face before going into my Pixi Rose Plus Radiant Perfector and applying this over my face to help give it a little bit more of a glow before going into my Rare Beauty Foundation in 210N and applying this all over my face using my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. Next, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Creamed Powder Foundation in Mocha and applying this to the areas that I would like to contour. So this is going to be my cheekbones, my jawline, and my nose, and then I'm just going to be going ahead and blending that out. Next, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I want to highlight. So this is just going to be applied under my eyes before I go ahead and blend that out before taking my Rare Beauty Serum Blush in Hope. And I'm going to be applying this to the tops of my cheekbones and then blending this down to the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to be taking my foundation brush again and just applying this all over my face just to help diffuse that blush color and blend it into my skin. I'm going to be taking my Airspun Translucent Powder to help set my under eyes, and I'm also going to be applying that to areas that I tend to crease a little bit more, so that's going to be mostly around my smile lines. And then we're going to be moving on to eyebrows, where I'm going to be taking my NYX Brow Pencil in Espresso and then just softly filling in my eyebrows. We don't want anything too harsh, but definitely just to make them stand out a little bit more than my natural brow. We're then going to help define our face a little bit more, so I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones and also bringing that down to my jawline as well, before taking my ColourPop Night Bloom Pressed Powder Blush. I'm just going to be applying this right on top of the blush from earlier, and this is going to help give it some nice, cool purple tones to our rosy cheeks. I'm then going to be taking my Revlon Prismatic Highlighter and just using this to highlight my cheekbones before going into my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying this to my eyelids to help prep it for our eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Animal Crossing Label of the Ball eyeshadow palette, taking Taylor's Ticket, and applying this into my crease before applying this to my lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to be taking Able Sisters, and I'm just going to be using my finger to pat this on to my eyelid before mixing Taylor's Ticket in Serene Sable and applying this to the outer corner of my eye and blending it inwards. I'm then going to be taking my Revlon Prismatic Highlighter again, and I'm actually going to be using this to highlight the inner corner of my eyes before taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Black Eyeliner and just tightly lining my upper lash line before we go ahead and curl our lashes. I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and I'm just going to be sweeping this through my upper eyelashes before moving on to lips, where I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Oh Snap and just going ahead and outlining my lips. I'm then going to be topping that with my ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil in Blossom Out before moving on to lashes, where I'm going to be taking my Ardell Variety Pack and I'm going to be taking the 601 lashes and applying that to my lash line. And that is it for this Eloise inspired Bridgerton makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!